These are delicious. You should try some. Are you ready to rumble? Because we are making rumbles. The main ingredient for this recipe are Lotus cookies. Don't know if they are available in your country, but they have an amazing flavor of caramel with a hint of cinnamon. We need to smash them up to pulp, so let your anger out. Stupid corona pandemic. Stupid lockdown makes me sit at home and make cooking videos. Stupid factory farming being the breeding zone for pandemics. You can use some tools if you want to make it easier. Rolling pin seems to work for me quite good. Okay, if you have your cookies smashed up, now it's time to add the next thing on the list, which is cocoa powder, following by vanilla, a bit of cinnamon, coconut oil, and most important part, rum. Arr, aye, Captain. One for you and one for me. Now you see why I like this recipe so much? You could also use some artificial rum flavor if you can't have rum in them. I like to have fun while cooking, so I will go with the rum. It will make me feel like Captain Jack Sparrow. Cook responsibly. Now let's head back to the bowl where we mix everything. I did this recipe a few times with different ratios, trying to use the least oil. Now we form balls. No guidelines here, big balls, small balls, whatever fits you. After that comes the coating. If you go for the low fat option, dip your balls first in some plant-based milk and after that in the coconut flakes. That's gonna work really well.
A few moments later.
Good job. Just one more step left to do. Squeeze your balls into the fridge for at least 3 hours. After that they will become firm balls that you can store for a few days. If you can resist them, that is.
3 hours later.
And now they are chilled and done. Enjoy some more tasty shots of my balls. Don't they look beautiful? I also got an extra tip for you. There is a great loophole for those of you who want to stop drinking alcohol before Easter. Just eat it instead. Oh, it's the year. Well, these are amazing. Okay guys, there's nothing to see here, like there's no evidence, we couldn't find any chocolate rum balls. Sorry. Hulk smash.